Hi, I'm Ryan from Biomly. Biomly makes websites for businesses that need to be seen online. We work with the people who are highly skilled in their area and have the capacity to offer a fantastic service but need some help showcasing their skills to others online. We fill this gap by creating great websites that don't break the bank. We focus on the goals you set when we design your website. If it's generating leads, sales, or a hub for your clients to interact with your business, we ensure that your site is fast, secure, and serves the purpose for you. Please visit our website at biomly.com.